Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to start off with, if you are new here, hello, my name is Brittany. I'm a motherhood and lifestyle vlogger here on YouTube, and I just wanted to start off with my subscribers that have been here already, and that if you're not new here, I have been gone for almost a month, and there is a pretty big explanation for that I'm not going to share in this video. I want this video to solely just be about Audrianna's second birthday party and her birthday prep and my cleaning and everything like that. That is what this video is going to be about. I know you guys will really enjoy it. I also wanted to say thank you for all of the birthday wishes and safe travels that you guys gave us before we went on vacation, and all of the wishes that you gave Audrianna for her birthday, and also just all of the concerns, kind of asking like where we've been and if we're okay and everything. That just makes me feel so good, and I'm so lucky to have each and every one of you. It really just brightens my day just to get like even a couple comments, you know, asking where we've been and stuff. So we are back. There will be a video explanation kind of explaining everything that's gone on. Not this video, like I said, and not the next one, because the next video is going to be Disneyland vlogs and Disney stuff, and it's gonna be really fun. You guys are gonna love those. But it will be the third video. So not this one, not the next one, but the next one after that. That's a lot of stuff. So I hope you guys like kept on track with that. But we'll be explaining everything that kind of went on, and that's been going on. So we usually don't go away for long, but life can just be crazy sometimes, and vlogging and stuff can get in the way of things that are going on. So that is that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new here, like I said, please subscribe and join the family. We would love to have you here, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
take. Have another deep breath. Think before you say. Think before you say. Think before you say. I'll play the fool. You sit and wait. Awkward conversation. When's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say? You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words I never said. Lie to cover up the feelings, let it end, it end, it end. I don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go, go, go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just stopped. Now all I think of is leaving this bad old spot. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go, go, go to the deepest end. I can't forget what you've done. The way you act won't take me back. Just go, go, go. Go, go, go. Yeah, I can't forget.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Yeah!
Yay! Happy birthday! Yay!
Happy birthday,
Happy
B!
birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Yeah, it's your birthday!
Happy birthday, dear Audrianna! Happy birthday to you!
Yay! Look at all the balloons!
Yay!
Mama! Hello you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be Audrianna's birthday party vlog. And as you've seen, I did a ton of cleaning before the party, cleaned a ton of stuff. I actually didn't really get to cleaning my room because I had so many other things that I had to do, and I had a wedding to go to. One of my best friends got married. So I didn't get to clean my room, but obviously no one's really gonna be in here. Finished decorating for her party. Her party actually starts in 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything that we did. It is the little baby bum theme. So here's like some of the cupcakes that we did and snacks and more cupcakes. And then we have little cups over there. And then over here is where like the party is. There's my dad. You need tape?
Yeah. Tape.
A little candle.
Tell me if I get it.
The little birthday girl who needs to do her hair. I'll do your hair in just a second. Tape is always in this drawer. And then I have her little 2, and it's a custom made little baby bum one for around her high chair. We actually got this little thing for her high chair too, when we ended up not using it for the high chair and just put it right here because I felt like it would be too much with what's already going on, and then that too. So many balloons. it accumulated over the weeks, so we have tons of balloons. Our main table with everything, little baby bum. I love the way that the tablecloth like turned out. I wasn't sure about it because I wasn't a big fan, but it actually looks really good with all of the colors. And I like that it's white because the balloon arch is super colorful, so it's not too much. I feel like it just looks really good. And then it says happy 2nd birthday. We have a little portrait of Audrianna in a little baby bum outfit. And then her little fact chart over here. And then we have her cake. Little cupcakes with the characters. Yeah, that's your cake with baby bum, huh? Turned out so good. I love it. You do her hair? Yeah, I know. And then over here we have all her little characters sitting by the door. Except for, I think we're missing one. My dad said we're missing one. Oh, Mia. We're missing Mia. All the little guys, all little friends chilling around. Birthday girl is all ready. So pretty. Having a little snack. Are you laughing?
Hey, where's everybody?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Audrianna. Happy birthday to you. Oh, well. She's like, I'm not sure about that. That was pretty fast. Yeah, that's pretty fun. Oh yeah, that's yucky. Can you drop that? Thank you. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave me a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I've uploaded a new video. Subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. We would love to have you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.